Uh-oh, something stuck. Something stuck.
Are you sure? You just fucking with me?
I got nothing.
You're kidding.
I got absolutely nothing.
Holy fuck. Oh shit.
Huh. Well, that's news. Come on, baby. Do something different.
Oh shit.
Run for your lives.
I'm telling you. It's out of control. Whoa.
Had nothing.
I thought he was bullshitting me.
I turned my transmitter off and back on and nothing. What the fuck, me? Did a lot of loops.
He got hit. He got hit.
It's still in one piece.
It is. It's repairable.
God damn it. This plane won't die. Well, fuck me. Let's see what the hell's going on here. I might have.
Sit down there and turn that radio back on.
God damn, that was a new one.
That was exciting.
I didn't know how long it had a full tank of gas too, man.
Yeah, man. I was like, oh my God.
Yeah, I got it on video too.